Welcome to WOLO. We only live once.
Hello everybody, welcome to WOLO again. Today we are going to climb San Vicente's volcano, which is called Chinchontepec. And of course, we want to say thank you to the Tepetitans mayor, William Portillo, since he offered us transportation to leave us halfway to the top of the volcano. So, thank you very much, and let's go!
A ver, ya está grabando. Ahora quiero ver cómo me miro.
Hey, what's up guys? Here, WOLO again. So, have you ever heard about the Chinchontepec volcano? No. as far as I know, I consider that the Chinchontepec volcano is the second biggest volcano of El Salvador. I consider that you are thinking about why this man is talking about it. We're gonna climb that volcano. So believe me, that trip is going to be amazing. So I do recommend you that. And so we're gonna start right now.
Wait, I need to drink water.
You got some water?
Yeah, but just a little bottle, man.
That's okay,
I'm
man.
tired.
Yeah, so let's take a break. Just a little bit, man. Well, people, here we are. We're going up, and well, this is a little bit tired, but you know that not playing a game, people. If you don't try, you will never know if you can get it or not, because yes, it is well, really difficult in order to get to the top, but here we are, and I am going here with my partner, with my fella, Ronnie. How do you feel?
Terrible, man. Really tired.
Well, we are about to get to the La Lagunas forest. This is called as La Lagunas forest, and well, as you can see, this is an amazing place. Well, this is really fresh, and well, if you love to breathe pure air, come on people, I invite you to come here and breathe the purest air of the country.
What are you eating?
A candy. Obviously, I'm gonna take with me
The trash.
Remember, this has to be in its place, not in the nature.
Nice.
Some people say that there was a lagoon here in this part of the volcano, but now, as you can see, there is only a lot of trees, a small forest, and in the higher part of this volcano you can see a big part of the El Salvador's land, and you can see the other volcanoes. Fun fact, actually grandparents tend to say that this spot is called the Volcanoes Laguna because in the past they say that in this place there was actually a lagoon in which people probably came here to take a bath, but now it's more like a forest. Another really interesting characteristic about this specific spot on the way to get to the top of the volcano is that if you pay attention and get silent, you can actually listen to the sound of certain animals. If you pay attention, they sound like if they are Pokemons, like if they are charging their attack. Actually, yes. We're almost there. Let's go! Because of military reasons, we can't actually record certain parts of the top of the volcano. So I apologize for that, but trust me, you are going to enjoy the best images you can get if you climb this volcano. So please enjoy.
Okay, this is San Vicente volcano, also known as Chinchontepec. This is the second highest volcano in El Salvador and probably still active, but there are not known historical eruptions.
I want to suggest you, if you want to study in University from El Salvador, here in Facultad Multidisciplinaria Paracentral in San Vicente, you have two options. They are profesorado en idioma inglés para tercer ciclo de educación básica y educación media en licenciatura de idioma extranjero con especialidad en francés e inglés.
Now we are going down, but the path looks to be really slippery. So I recommend you, if you come here, be careful, because there are a lot of rocks, small rocks that you can fall down. So that's why be careful, guys. I want to show you this. Can you see the path behind me? So right now we are going down, and I don't know if you can see, but there are a lot of small rocks here that if you come here, be careful, because you can fall down and you can get an injury. Thanks for watching the video until the end. Remember, give us a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and this is
WOLO!
Bye.
goodbye.
Come on away.
No me grabé. This is the second highest volcano in El Salvador and probably still active, but there are none. Not!
Ahí está la húmeda.
Qué paisaje.
Se supone que tenemos que hablar en...
Wow.
¿Dónde estará la otra?
Wow.
No se logra ver, pero
Hablemos.
Wow. English, please. English, please. English, please. Después revisamos.
¿Quién agarró mi pinche otro palo?
Yo.
Thanks for watching the video until the end.